Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's tutorial we are going to talk about how we can rename column with pandas. So let's go on. First let's create our data frame and print the column names. If you don't know guys how to create data frame and you want to check other tutorials, please check my playlist below on description, full playlist of Python tutorial and start from beginning to end. So let's firstly create our data frame like that. We create data frame with technologies dictionary in here, and by calling columns, df columns, we printed our column names like that. So how we can rename a single column? Let's run the code in here by shift enter in our Jupyter Lab. Firstly, by calling rename method, we create another data frame in here. By calling rename method in here and adding inside of this function columns parameter, we make columns equal to, we open this dictionary, we call it dictionary mapping. We give the previous names in the first and updated name second. As you see, it previous was courses like that, but now it updated become courses list in our newly created data frame. In original data frame we haven't updated yet. In another examples I will show how we can update it in our original data frame. So another one, alternatively, we can write above code using axes. So in here, if you don't want to use columns parameter in here, we just can use, let's shift enter that. We can use, and let me df to call our columns in here. Columns. Okay, we can use axis 1 as a index. Axis 1 means columns, or we can give as a name string columns in here. Same, both of them do same job. So in here we rename our column name by this way. How we can replace existing data frame by using, okay, as I said before, now check this. Let's run this. Okay, in here by using in place true, we can update our original data frame. Again, by using rename method, we did some dictionary mapping in here. First name and then updated name in here. We choose axis in here, and by writing in place true, we update our original data frame. As you see again in here, we updated course to course list. How we can rename multiple columns? The same method in here. In our dictionary we have how many column names you want to update. You give in here. For example, previously we have fee name. We give it first. We put fee in here as k, and the value in here we put courses fee. For example, we want to update duration and to courses duration like that, and we in place true, by doing in place true, we update our original data frame, and finally we print our column names like that. How we can rename column by index? For example, let's run it. In second one gives us third index, because we said before our indexing start from 0. 0 is our first index. In the third one, as you see, previously we have duration. As you see from previous data frame, it was duration. By using values in here, df columns and values, we give the index in these square brackets, and we make it equal to updated column name, and by doing like that we update it. After running cell we update it, and as you see again our updated data frame looks like that. How we can rename columns with the list? Again, we have list in here. As you see, we have previously we have 3 column, and it takes its index to corresponding index in our previous data frame. Firstly, we call df columns in here. We call the names like that. It is like a dictionary, and we replace its values in the dictionary with that our new column names list. So as you see, guys, by running the cell, we already updated it and printed out the names. How we can rename multiple columns with in the original data frame? The same logic like that. We can use columns parameter in here by opening a dictionary in here, curly braces, and give courses previous names and updated names like that, and we can update it. Let's run it like that. Okay, again, we updated our data frame columns. Another one, how we can add prefix to our column names. For example, we want to add column prefix to each columns in our data frame by using add prefix method, and inside of that we can add anything in this string. So as you see, previously we didn't have column in front of it at prefix, but after adding prefix like that column, we already updated our data frame and created new data frame in here. How we can add suffix? Again, by using add suffix method in here, we put a string inside of a string and print out our previous columns like that. We create another data frame from our original data frame and add prefix to each column name. In here, I think there is more ways to do it, but I think it is totally enough. For more, you can check other, documentation, but I think that it is more than enough for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for other tutorials. Thank you.